And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Title is on the line. The Brahma Bull, the Rattlesnake, hooking it up here. This is a no disqualification match. It was made such by Mr. McMahon earlier tonight on Heat.
And look at this place. It's filled with The Rock's millions and millions of fans.
20,276 have jam-packed this arena. And there's no telling where this one's going to end up with the title on the line.
Well, we know one thing. Mankind won his Boiler Room Brawl match against Big Show, but in the process, he was hurt so badly that he had to be sent to the hospital.
Which is why our senior official is out here to call this match. Good Lord. Another shot with that foreign object. And he strikes with the knee.
Rock's in trouble. After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future.
The Rock just can't get the momentum to swing his way.
Oh, geez. You know, these competitors are so evenly matched, I wouldn't even begin to guess at this point.
Look out here. Oh my God. Austin's leg. Austin's leg. That heavily braced right knee.
Oh, yeah, that did it.
Right across that steel support, holding the lights there. And Austin may be hurt badly.
Oh, yeah.
And The Rock hasn't wasted any time, King. Focusing in on that braced leg like a bullseye.
And that's why The Rock is the champ.
The stakes cannot be any higher. And that's thanks to Mr. McMahon. Nobody's getting disqualified in this match. Taking a little water break here. Oh! Total lack of respect shown by the champion.
The Rock can do any damn thing he wants to, JR.
And The Rock is elevated in front. The Rock on the announce table.
Oh, my God!
The Rattlesnake and, oh, my God! Oh, my God! They annihilate the announce table. An elbow to The Rock's heart by Austin. Good God Almighty. This is a war. This is a war for the championship. And the carnage is indescribable here on the outside.
Now, go ahead and say it, JR. It's a slobber knocker.
It damn sure is a slobber knocker. Down goes The Rock. And The Rock counters it. That'll give you a big old goose egg. What incredible impact. Stone Cold. Man, that had to hurt. Austin, no. Oh, there it is. A Stone Cold Stunner. Here's the pin. Stone Cold just kicks out at The Rock, kicked out of the stunner. And Austin is in. Mankind is apparently going to be the referee.
Oh, please, somebody hit Mankind. Quick! Where's Mr. McMahon?
He's laid out somewhere in front of us.
Back into the ring now.
cover. That's 3. And Stone Cold